Open Google Play Store and search for Google Opinion Rewards. Always keep your Google Opinion Rewards updated to get frequent Google search-based surveys. As you can see, my Google Opinion Reward account having 183 rupees. Just how the heck is this possible? Let me show you my reward history to let you know how frequently I am getting surveys. Okay, now recently I got one on the 11th of November, and that's a total of about 31 rupees, one of my highest paid surveys. Next I received one on 1st November. Let's see October month surveys: 28th, October 24th, October 21st, October 10th, October 9th, October. How I am getting so many surveys. Now let me tell you all the secret things to do in order to get many surveys. First, always clean the prize perks weekly so that you can redeem the gifts. Second, click on settings from menu bar and select always ask from image selection option. Now comes the most important secret that I am going to reveal. Third, click on this and check the important settings to be done. Under allow notification option, always keep it on. Age range should be kept 18 to 24 so as to get more surveys. See the location based tasks, which is the most important thing which to be checked in order to receive surveys. Always keep these things on. You'll have to choose both Hindi and English so that you will get diverse surveys. Now last but not least, your Google search engine, YouTube and other social medias which you use should be logged in with this account so that Google will have asked questions for you in the surveys. For example, I received one survey that is on 11th November with 13 questions, and answering all those correctly and honestly I received 31